Hey guys, Rice here, and I'm gonna drive my Honda Civic. Here it is, 1991 Honda Civic DX hatch. I've had this car for a little while now. It has 241,000 miles or 246,000 miles, something like that. The wheels are pretty expired. A couple of years expired, so I'm trying to get some new wheels pretty soon. So far, what I did to the car was just some headers. As you can see there, it's a D16 B2 engine. Pretty much it's completely stock other than the headers that I just put in. I just did that because I wanted to try the Timu headers, and so far they're pretty good. Pretty good. I can't really open the hood. I think I need to put a new hood latch cable. The only way I can open it by myself is I put like a 25-pound weight on there and for it to open. Another modification I did. I think I put this Honda Civic 2009 seat in because the other one was kind of like messed up and torn. It was like torn in half, so this was kind of like all floppy and stuff, so I couldn't really sit comfortably, so I just adapted this. It's kind of too tall though, but eventually I want to get like a bucket seat in there, like a Ricardo SPG. And then finally, the only other thing I've done to this car is I don't know if you can see it, but I drilled like a small hole there so I can get a little bit more noise. I'm pretty broke, so I don't have like much money, but I'm gonna cold start it for you guys so you know how it sounds. I think the RPMs are kind of fluctuating a little bit, but this is the interior right here. Classic 90s interior. It didn't come with a radio, so I put like a $50 radio for the meantime. Actually, I have a sub in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's there. Looking kind of chopped. But anyway, there's a cup holder right there. The back seats look pretty in good condition because no one probably sat in it. The passenger seat's kind of torn up, but that's okay. Yeah, I've got some music playing. I'm not gonna turn it up because I don't want to get copyrighted, even though I don't make any money on it. But here's the gauge cluster. Yeah, 243,000 miles. I just changed the oil on it. I think it has a blown head gasket. I put some head sealer in it, and I think it worked. I think a recent problem that I had with it was like after I was done driving, the coolant was just pouring out of the cap. But I think I might have put too much coolant in it maybe, and it was like overfilling the reservoir. But I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then I'm gonna take it for a drive. I think the timing might be off, or something might be off, because I feel like the car's shaking a little bit more, so I think the RPMs will be going up and down. I'm gonna K-swap it eventually. I have the engine in my garage, but yeah. Yeah, I think I might do the head gasket on this, just for the meantime. It's not a crazy involved job, but that's what I think. Here's a couple. There's no cup holders here, just an ashtray. I've seen some people like 3D print like a tray for like cup, and also like another 3D print right here for like 2 cups. I'm planning on doing that too. This car is not option with AC, which kind of sucks because it's kind of hot right now in California, San Diego. I think right now it's like probably high 80s, 90s. So it's probably not hot for some of you guys, but yeah. Well, anyway, I'm gonna take it for a quick drive. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit. And then yeah, we'll just go for a drive. All right. I was trying to put on my hat, but it wouldn't fit, so now I have it clamped on the thing. I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't overheat or spill coolant again, but we're gonna find out right now. My camera, I think last time I used the GoPro it was like overheating, so hopefully I don't have that issue again. Yeah, but this car is like super fun to drive when it's like working and stuff. So hopefully we don't have any issues. When I first got this car, the issue was it was overheating, so I replaced the thermostat, and that was working, you know, fresh coolant. But it started overheating again because it was burning like coolant, and I think that was after like I did like a little canyon run after I fixed the heating issue, and I think it was just smoking out of the exhaust, smoking out of the exhaust and out of the radiator, like all the coolant was coming out and stuff. So I replaced the radiator, and I was gonna replace the water pump, but I don't know, I got cheap. Eventually I'm gonna replace. Well, I don't really want to replace it because eventually I'm gonna just case swap it, but I might do it anyway because. I don't know, it's probably gonna take me a long time to get all the parts I need together so I can do the case swap. Because I'm a little strapped for cash. Zero to 60, I think it's more than 10 seconds. I'm gonna check right now, see how long it takes. But it's not the fastest car, obviously. But it's kind of peppy, you know, because the lightweight. I think this only weighs. It definitely weighs less than 3,000 pounds, that's for sure. I might try to do like a pull at the light. Again, hopefully it doesn't overheat and stuff. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out, twin. Whoa. Yeah, this thing is super fucking slow, but it's okay. It gets to 60. It gets to 60 pretty alright. Like I can comfortably get this thing on traffic. Like I can comfortably ride into the freeway on the on-ramp with no issue. I've done it before when it was running good. Right now it's running good. I'm not gonna push my luck. I'm probably gonna return it pretty soon. I'm just letting it ride right now. I'm not even pushing on the gas. That's how light this car is. You can literally get it to 60 and then ride the whole way. That's why you get such good gas mileage. The gas mileage on this thing is phenomenal. I heard you get like 60 miles per gallon. So right now I'm at 10 miles per hour. So let's see how fast we get to 60. Or complete stop. 1, 2, 3.
much. Got it. Got it. I'm not smelling any coolant, so that's a good sign. The sealant must have worked pretty good. So that means the block might not be warped. You know, I'm not doing anything too crazy, but driving manual in this little economy car is quite amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I'm having a great time. The only thing that would beat this would probably be the Focus ST, which I kind of wish I made more videos on. Because I put some like Duralast gold brakes on it, so you know it brakes pretty good. I haven't changed the rears though because they're drum brakes, and I don't like working on drum brakes. So I think one of my more recent mods after the tires, I'm probably gonna like switch out the back. I'm gonna convert it to a disc. You know, so it's just easier for me to change out, and you know, better performance. I think I'm starting to smell the coolant, so I'm gonna take it back right now. I don't know if you guys see it, but there's like a Subaru over there, WRX. It's all like, it's kind of like riced out a little bit, but I mean, to each your own. I'm not gonna talk shit. Other than that, other than what I just said, I guess. Yeah, my camera's dying pretty quick. I'm looking at it right now. I'm really going down like 1% like every 2 seconds, every 1 second. So it's gonna be a short video. Man, I don't know how people record videos on GoPros. Foot off the gas. I bet you 10 bucks that we get to the stop sign where I have to turn without, you know, pressing on the gas again. See, it's right there. I'm still going at 50 miles per hour. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. Ooh, sharp turn. Suspension is pretty good for like an old car. Oh shit. Okay, there's something like wrong. I just started jittering. So obviously this car, something wrong with the car. Which kind of sucks. You think it's happening in the neighborhood, you know, rather than like anywhere else, I guess. maybe like a misfire, but I don't have a check engine light or anything like that, so I don't know why he's doing that. I have no idea, so I might have to take it to like a mechanic or something, because I mean, I'm barely just learning how to work on cars. Maybe like some new distributor wires and some spark plugs might help it, because I haven't changed them since I got the car. The only thing I did was just an oil change for maintenance, and then the timing belt. I forgot to mention that I did do the timing belt, so maybe the timing might be fucked up, but I don't know. I had a guy do the timing for me so I wouldn't fuck it up. So, well, that could definitely be a possibility for sure. But that's it for now. I just wanted to show the YouTube people, you guys, that what I'm doing, because I haven't uploaded in a while and I haven't really been like gaming. I just got into cars more. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. You know, like and subscribe.